Guys, welcome to another video. Let's see if the dogs try to escape again. They're in there.
YouTube, right?
No, it's not. No. I'm posting it. I don't have to put it on YouTube.
Yeah.
Are they trying to? Oh, I see paws. They're right there. They're right there.
Okay, we should take them out to let them.
No, don't yet. I can see them out. Here, I'll try to let them get a spot.
Oh, let me see Harley get over here.
And the one over here, the one I'm showing is my friend, and the other one is my sister. We're at the friend's house. Please move. I'm trying to catch this. And that was Foofinator.
Shit.
As you know, Foofinator. But
Well, and for Minecraft videos, yes.
And for Destiny. Michaela.
I like the Destiny that.
Hey.
The Destiny videos.
No, girl. And that'll be the end of this video. Bye,